In today's video, I'm going to be showing you 3 easy layout methods. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is find a design. You can go online and there's so many to choose from. Now, this is what I'm going to be working with today. If you're finding your designs on a computer or iPad, you want to make sure your brightness is turned all the way up, because the first method is tracing. This is exactly what it sounds. I'm going to get a blank sheet of paper, put it over top of my iPad or my computer screen, and then turn off any surrounding lights. And then just use a pencil and lightly trace over the design. I'm just going to do this really quickly here to show you in the video, but you can take your time and be as precise as you want, or as precise as you think you need to be. But I find in mosaics, just a quick sketch is really all you need, and you fill in the details with the tiles themselves. Here I'm just gonna do a little bit of the design, but you can take as long as you need to make a good template, because this is what you'll be gluing your mosaic tiles to. Now the next layout method is by far the easiest and straightforward, and that is printing. You can print off a design as big or as small as you want, keeping in mind that this size will be the finished size of your mosaic. You can cut around the excess and you'll be left with just what you need to start your mosaic. Now the last method here is by far the most time consuming, but that is drawing. So if you're a really good artist, you can sketch out a design. Using a Sharpie marker, you can refine your design and then cut that out as well. Because it's the easiest and most beginner friendly, I'm going to use this MDF 1/4-inch piece of backing, and I'm going to glue my printed design using super strength spray adhesive. I'm going to apply an even layer to the backing, and then I'm going to glue on my print. I laid down this canvas to catch any of the overspray, and we're just going to put a nice thin layer of the spray adhesive on top, and we're going to give it a few seconds to tack up, as it's called, and that just allows our glue to get tacky and sticky. You can wave it around a little bit if you want, or what you can do is poke it with your finger and it should be really tacky and sticky. So for example, if I touch it right now, it's not really sticking that well. Well, it is a little bit. If it keeps it, there you go. See, now you can tell that it's ready to go. And I'm going to get my design, center it out a little bit, the best I can. And once you think you've got it centered out on your backing board, I'm just making sure these sides are even. Yeah, okay, I'm going to press down in the middle here and just press it down. You really want to make sure you get these edges all down, but you can be assured that this glue, once this paper is attached to this board, it's not coming off. And there you have it. Once this is set, I'd give it a few minutes to set, maybe 10 or 20 minutes, and you can literally start mosaicing right over top of this design here. So we got the tracing method, the printing method, and the drawing method. Whichever one you like, whichever one is easier, that's the one you do. It's all the same. You'll cut them out, glue them to your backing, and you can start gluing your mosaic tiles right to the top. So with the super strength glue and our design and some backer board, we've laid out a mosaic. In the next video, I'm going to mosaic over this template here, and you'll be able to follow along. And that's really how easy it is to go from a design, whether you trace it or freehand it or print it out. If this video was helpful, or you have any questions or ideas for next videos, leave a comment below. Be sure to like and subscribe for more.